TOMO Aoneky 8x21 high-powered children mini color binoculars telescope feature, telescope for bird watching, watching wildlife or scenery. GameNon-Slip GripBright and clear range of ViewCompact and lightweight Lanyard portable DesignGlimmer HDSteady ViewingOptics zoom scalable telescopic 128 meters / 1000 meters, yard. Note 1. Please use it correctly as image showed, do not use it on the contrary. 2. Here night vision means you can use it when the aim's point has light specifications. Product magnification, 8x objective lens diameter, 21 mm field of view, 128 meters / 1000 meters, yard. Prism type, back 4. 100% of the reflected light can make more clear and bright imageLens coating. Composite coating material, high quality rubber, non-slip hand wheel center design, more comfortable rotating eyepiece focusing mode. Multilayer red broadband coating technology, highlight transmittance can be used at night too. Watch the scene with LightVisual difference adjustment function weight, 5.3 ounce mini size, 4.3 x 3.4 x 1.6 inches colors for choosing, red /blue /green /white /orange /YellowPackage included. 1x TOMO Aoneky Binoculars 1x Binoculars bag 1x lens cloth 1x lanyard. Welcome to Check Dreamseden TOMO 100s telescopes with high quality. Wider use scope, golf, camping, hiking, fishing, bird watching, concerts, etc. Necessary fashion equipment for trip non-slip scratch, unique personality body pattern design. Best gift for kids multilayer red broadband coating technology, make you see the scene more realistic can be used at night when there is a light around the aim's compact and lightweight lanyard portable design, 5 colors for choosing, blue, orange, red, green, yellow. Please use it correctly as image showed, do not use it on the contrary. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.